JavaScript, uh, many variables can save data from other variables. So it's like labeling to a stuff. Let's say they are stuff, and then we labeling the stuff with name A. Then we call this A, and there is other stops. So we label the desktop also named with A. So the two stops names are A, and we can call these stops named A. So we can say like that. Hey, can you bring the A over here? That makes sense. So in JavaScript it's same, and let's say there are variables A, and the A has a data 7, A equals 7. So, and there are other data, also other variables B, so we can give the B values to A. But but that means B has A's data. The A is 7, yeah, so B equals 7. But we can't type like this because that means there are variables A, and that A has a B's data. So A's data is changed, but we want to B's data is changed, so we should write like this: B equal A.